Vacate and Bond Cleaning Services Business, Golden Bay, Western Australia. Alliance Cleaning Services offers comprehensive and customised cleaning solutions for commercial, office, bond back and end of lease. It is not a franchise and is 100% Australian owned and operated, with 5-star reviews and consistent income. The business was established by the current owner 5 years ago and shows a continued growth trend. Clients include 6 large companies: St Vincent de Paul, Golden Bay Shopping Centre, real estates and removalists. The business could be grown very quickly by appointing more staff, as demand for services is extremely high. This excellent package includes $20,000 of assets, including 2 websites, a sign-written van, equipment, tools and products. Google marketing campaigns are set up and ready to turn on advertising again if you wish to boost the business. There is also potential to grow by obtaining commercial contracts and increasing your social media presence. As a mobile service, you'll benefit from low overheads with a home office for tax benefits. The current owner is moving back to New Zealand to be with family, so put in your best offer today.